Hello, hello. Welcome to 161 Cielito, Lindo in the heart of Anaheim. Hell, this is beautiful. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath, gorgeous house, but you've got to see it to believe it. So follow me and let's check it out. Going into the closet, which used to be the 4th bedroom, but these owners decided to make a humongous closet. So depending on what your needs are, this could be converted back to a bedroom. As you can see, this used to be the closet. Thanks for stopping by. Now I'm just gonna go take my dog over to this beautiful park, Eucalyptus Park, and we'll see you later. Thanks for coming.